Everything that we decide in life already exists in the here and now. These particular codes that I'm sharing with you have been dubbed the cheat codes for life. Let's talk about them. Hi, this is Harold and welcome to the Sanctum. The Sanctum is a channel dedicated to exploring and learning the ancient sciences of the East and West. If you're new to this channel, please remember to click the subscribe button and the bell icon, and please like and share this video. And also a quick reminder, if you're watching this video before the 1st of August 2022, I'm offering free sessions. You can book your session by following the link in the description box below or on the screen in front of you. So, we live in a universe of infinite possibilities. And we see all sorts of videos that's talking about the law of attraction and how thoughts create our reality and how we can manifest certain goals that we have in mind. Now, in this video, I'm going to be talking about a very specific subject. Are there certain codes, like cheat codes, that are here in reality that we can use to change our circumstances in some way? Whether that's bringing more money into our life or abundance, whether that's bringing love into our life, whether that's bringing a new job into our life, whether that's bringing something that we desire into manifestation. All of our desires are a specific vibration. Just like if you were to look at all the elements, there are all certain frequencies. And it's that specific frequency that decides how that particular element would behave. All of our desires are essentially frequencies. And we as human beings are emitters of frequencies. And when we are in alignment with something, we resonate with that specific thing. And that specific thing can come into manifestation by logical means. So now, here in the eternal now, everything that we desire already exists. This is why, in principles like the law of attraction or creating your reality, you must position yourself in the feeling of the wish fulfilled. Now, that specific vibration or frequency of the wish fulfilled, whatever that wish might be, can be expressed through the theory of radionics. So the theory is based on the fact that people and life forms share common ground through electromagnetic fields, specifically the electromagnetic field of the earth. We are all connected in some way. The numbers that I'm about to share with you are known as Grabovoi numbers and Grabovoi codes. And the numbers are essentially cheat codes of the universe that work within ourselves and our system to manifest our reality or heal ourselves in a certain way. The belief is that all of life have this specific electromagnetic field, and everything is energy. And the theory of radionics says that organs, ailments, and even remedies have their own frequency and vibration. But so do situations such as and states of being such as wealth, abundance, love, happiness as well. So through the use of radionics, Grigori Grabovoi discovered these particular codes that we can repeat to ourselves in a certain way that can align ourselves with a specific reality that we're trying to bring into manifestation. I know that sounds crazy, but once again, I've mentioned before that I only talk about things in this channel that I've tried myself and have worked for me. So I have been trying these codes because why not? The only way you can find out if something works or not is to try it out for a while. And it's quite peculiar because it does have an effect on reality, or it seems almost as if synchronicity is created through the use of these specific Grabovoi codes. So I would like to share one of the codes that I've been using, and it's known as the manifestation of unexpected money code. And that code is essentially 52074118. And essentially what you do is you repeat this code in this way as often as you possibly can. What I do is I do it 28 times in the morning and 28 times in the night, and it's been quite peculiar. In the strangest of ways, I would get opportunities to earn some kind of money. Whether that's a client appearing in the most random possible way, or another opportunity, or a student of some sort, it's very interesting and peculiar. Now, I'm not saying that by doing these codes you're going to become a millionaire or something like that, but that's not also the point of this. The point of this is to understand that everything is a frequency, and we can tap into this frequency. And there are Grabovoi codes for absolutely anything. Let me give you a few examples of other Grabovoi codes that you possibly might be interested in. So there's the Grabovoi code for love, which is 888-412-1289018. That's a Grabovoi for self-esteem or self-confidence, 48189517498814. There's a Grabovoi code for beauty, which is 83585179. There's one for weight loss, 5342216. There's one for fame, 8277247. There's one for steady and generous income, 9213140. So there are codes for almost anything, and you can simply find some of these codes by searching them up, or you can find out more about these codes by going onto a specific code generator website that uses the specific algorithm that the same radionic machine that Grigori Grabovoi used himself. And I shall put that in the link below. And also, if you're interested in learning more about these sciences and this particular subject, I will place a link in the description box below to find some books on this particular subject, so you can continue on with your learning. So it seems to be working for me, hence why I'm sharing it with you. So give it a try. It's quite peculiar, and let me know in the comment section below what you discover. So I hope that makes sense. Thank you for watching this video. Please click the like button, please subscribe to this channel, and click the bell icon for more videos. Thank you, take care, and I shall see you very soon.